Hello, today we are going to tackle a problem involving selecting and arranging items with specific constraints. We have a set of novels and dictionaries and need to find the total number of ways to place them on a shelf ready to dive in. Let's list what we know. We have 6 different novels and 3 different dictionaries available from these. We must choose exactly 4 novels and 1 dictionary to fill 5 slots on a shelf. Our goal is to find the number of ways to arrange these 5 books such that the dictionary always sits in the middle, which is the third position. Think of it as a fixed seat. Look at this visual layout. We have 5 slots. The middle slot, position 3, is reserved specifically for our selected dictionary. The other 4 slots will be filled by our selected novels. First, we must select the books. We choose 4 novels out of 6 using the combinations formula, giving us 15 ways. Then, we choose 1 dictionary out of 3, which is 3 ways. Multiplying these gives us 45 unique sets of books. Got it so far? Now we arrange them. Since the dictionary must be in the middle, its position is fixed. There is only one way to place it once selected. The 4 novels can be shuffled among the 4 remaining slots in 4 factorial ways, which equals 24. This part is important because it accounts for the order of the novels. Finally, we multiply the number of ways to select the books by the number of ways to arrange them. 45 times 24 gives us a total of 1080 arrangements. This is how we combine selection and restricted arrangement. If you have any doubts, use the doubt box below for more questions. Ask Professor X.